Check out this 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT. 2006 Dodge 2500 Power Wagon 4WD, 6-speed manual, 1 onward. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Dodge has less than 132,000 miles on the odometer. 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon SLT 4WD, 1 owner, a low miles. If you know Power Wagons, you know how rare it is to find one like this. This 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon SLT 4WD is a true one-owner truck with low miles, and it's been well cared for from day one. Built from the factory to go where others can't, the Power Wagon is known for its legendary capability and durability, making this one a standout for work, recreation, or collectors alike. Highlights: 1 owner, low miles for the year, Power Wagon package, factory off-road beast, 4WD capability, strong, dependable performance, clean, honest truck that's getting harder to find. Whether you're looking for a serious off-road rig, a capable workhorse, or a classic Power Wagon to hold on to, this one checks all the boxes. Hard to find, easy to love. J&D Auto Sales, Helena, Montana, $17,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. 406-442-2931. JDAutoSales.net. Key features include power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, and power door locks.